Hello, I'm Lawrence Anthony, and in this video I'm going to explain how to use the AntConc File View tool. Another video shows you how to download AntConc and get started with the software, so I'm just going to jump in and load in the journalism or press subcorpus of the Brown corpus, which is a 1 million word corpus of general English. So I'm just going to go to File, Open Files, and I need to navigate to my corpus, and here it is. I'm selecting A, B, and C, which are the press or journalism subcategories of the corpus, and I'm ready to start. So the File View tool allows you to view a corpus file and search for hits inside the file as you can with the concordance tool. So if I move my cursor over to the first file in the list, you can see the finger icon appears, and if I then click on the file, I can immediately see the contents. Now, if I want to search for something in the file, all the search options and advanced search options from the concordance tool are available. So I can search for words, I can search for case, I can search for regex, I can do advanced searches, for example, using a search term from a list or using context words and horizons, as I can in the concordance tool. So if I type in the word report and hit start, the tool will go through the corpus file, Brown A, and show all the hits for report. At the top of the screen, it shows me that there are 27 hits in this file. And if I go down and click on the hit location buttons, I can go to the different hits, as you can see here. And then go back to the first hit at the top here. If I get lost in the file and I can't find my hits, I can just use the shortcut Ctrl Click, and if I do that, it will jump to the nearest hit that I have. So for example, I'll just scroll down here to the middle of the file and do Ctrl Click, and it shows me that the nearest hit is hit 11, which is here. Now, if I click another file in the list, it will automatically search in that file for the same search word, report. I can then see that there are 14 hits in the second file, and if I click on the third, I can see there is just one hit in the third file. If I move to that hit with my cursor, you'll see that the cursor changes into a pointing finger, and if I click then, it will jump to the concordance tool and show me all the hits in the concordance tool. So you can see that the concordance tool and the file view tool are carefully linked together so that I can click in one, I can make a search, for example, government, and I see there are 79 hits, and then I can click on one of these hits and go back to the concordance tool to find all the occurrences of government in the entire corpus. I can also plot the result and then go back to my file view. There are no preferences for the file view tool, so that's it for the file view tool. Thank you.